The YouTube monetization just got easier than you think. Now, are you a YouTuber and you want to get your channel monetized here on YouTube? Now, let me share with you 5 YouTube monetization factors you should know. Now, those 5 factors is what you need in achieving your monetization journey here on YouTube. Now, we're going to be making use of our YouTube Studio, be it desktop version or mobile version. It is actually very friendly for everyone, either a beginner or you're already a big YouTuber, but you're still struggling with your watch hours, or you're still struggling with your subscriber count, or even your watch hour is just reducing. All this I'm going to be explaining in this video. Now, let's go to our YouTube Studio app, okay? If you're using your mobile device, you can download your YouTube Studio app in the App Store, but you can as well access your YouTube Studio using the Google Chrome version, okay? Now, here, this is how my dashboard actually look like, okay? Now, at your bottom left, at your left hand side, you're going to see N, okay? Now go ahead and click on N, okay? Now when you click on N, it's going to bring you to this interface. Now I'm going to be using this interface to explain the 5 factors which will enable you to understand how YouTube monetization work. Now the first factor we're going to be talking about is, what is YouTube monetization? Now every YouTuber does not know what YouTube monetization is all about. They just keep on creating videos, be it long form or short form, and then waiting to be invited for the YPP or into the monetization program. Many of them don't know why they are here. They just believe that they can earn, and which is not right. So as a YouTuber, you need to know what YouTube monetization is all about. First of all, what is now YouTube monetization? YouTube monetization is a process whereby a YouTuber becomes eligible to earn through their short form or long form videos into the YPP program, which is the YouTube Partner Program. Okay, now have a understand what YouTube monetization is all about. The second factor you need to understand is the 2 form of monetization here on YouTube. Now YouTube has given room for every creator to take either the long form journey or the short form journey in getting invited into the YPP or into the monetization program, which means every YouTuber can decide which one is more easier for them. Is it the short form that is more easier for them to complete, or is it the long form that is more easier for them to complete? Now, in order to understand this better, let me bring you into this place. For example, now, the second factor which you need to understand is the 2 form of the monetization. Now, if you take a close look at this 2 place here, you see me that I just anchored. We have 4,000 and 10 million. Okay. Now, YouTube is giving every YouTuber the opportunity to take any of these chances. Meaning, as a YouTuber, you are planning of how to get invited into the YPP program. You are to either complete the 4,000 watch hours through your long form videos. Okay, now if this is difficult for you, YouTube is now giving you the second option, the second form, which is complete 10 million view in your public shorts. Okay, so now if you can, meaning if you can post short videos and you were able to gather 10 million views, then you can as well have the chances of getting invited into the YPP program. Our number 3 is the sub YouTube monetization. Imagine so many YouTubers actually don't know anything about the sub YouTube monetization. Now, the sub YouTube monetization, let me take you to this part. Now, take a close look at this place. Now, the YouTube sub is the membership, the super, and the shipping. And the shopping. Now, let me explain the membership for you. Now, this membership is a form of is like a subscription. For example, look at this. Say, excite your audience with access to exclusive perks as monthly paying member. Viewers will be able to join from your channel and video pages. You will receive 70% of net revenue. Now, imagine maybe you are live. Now, your viewers or your audience, also your subscribers, can also get to support you or your videos. Okay. Now, another thing you get to benefit under the sub is the super. Now, under the super is strengthen connection with your fans. Super chat, super stickers, and super thanks help you engage with your community and feel supported. With supers, you can earn each time fans buy a highlighted chat or animated messages. I know you must have been seeing this in people's comment section. or on their live comment section. You must have been seeing this. Now, this is another sub monetization you can enjoy on YouTube. The third one is the shopping. Now, turn your viewers into customers. Imagine you have you can advertise your product. For example, they say share product on your channel from your own store or the YouTube shopping affiliate program. Now, another benefit you get here is that YouTube gives you the opportunity to advertise yourself, your business, your products to your fans or to your audience or to your subscribers. So these are the three sub monetization you also need to understand on YouTube, which is our number 3 factors. Our number 4 factors is your subscribers count. Irrespective of either you're using the long form method or the short form method, you need to complete this 1,000 subscribers. But I will advise, if you're hoping and thinking of how you can actually reach your 1,000 subscribers, I will advise you post both long and both shorts. Now, the reason why I would not advise you to be posting only shorts can give you your subscribers count very fast. In short, one short can give you 1,000, 2,000 subscribers, but you might be getting subscribers from countries or from regions or from places you don't want. So, but if you're posting both long and short, it means you are trying to balance your audience. In short, if it is possible, if you know that what you want to become on YouTube is a coach, then I would advise you post more of long form video, because long form video is where you want to dwell, is where you want people to get to know you more, because you earn more on long form videos than on short form videos. So meaning, if you are hoping and thinking of how you can get your 1,000 subscribers, I will advise you to use your long form method to even achieve that, instead of doing both long and short. Or if you post out of 5 shorts, make sure you must have posted like 10 long, or out of 3 long, post only 1 short. Okay, so our number 4 factors you have to understand in order to get invited into the YouTube or into the YPP is making sure that you have your 1,000 subscriber count completed. Now, and our number 5 YouTube monetization factors you need to consider is avoiding getting your watch hours reduced. Now, so many YouTubers have spent years here on YouTube without getting invited or without getting monetized due to their reduction or depletion of watch hours. Now, remember, YouTube gives every YouTubers to complete their watch hour count within the period of 365 days. Meaning, if as a YouTuber you could not complete your 4,000 watch hours or 10 million watch views on your short within the period of 365 days, now what will happen after 365 days is that your watch hours will begin to reduce. Your watch hours will begin to reduce. Now, in order to avoid this, what I will advise you to do. Now, remember, you are on a journey to earn on YouTube. So therefore, you have to take it serious like a business. Now, if you can treat YouTube as a business, then you yourself, you will benefit more. Now, in order to avoid your watch hour being depleted or decreasing, I will give you this hack. Post for 90 days without missing a day. Again, niche down. Do not post randomly. If you are posting randomly, then you will not be able to have a targeted audience. And then when you cannot have a targeted audience, then if your subscribers are going out and your watch hour is becoming maybe is not counting the way it's supposed, because if subscribers are going out, automatically your watch hours will not be counting the way it's supposed to count. So in order to achieve this watch hour very fast, I will advise you post for 90 days and then you niche down, meaning do not post randomly, just take a niche. A niche is what a creator is known for. So take a niche for yourself and then post that niche for consecutive 90 days, meaning do not miss a day. Within 90 days, be rest assured that you will complete your 1,000 subscribers and you complete your 4,000 watch hours. But if you are like some people who post once in a week or once in a month, then you might end up having your watch hours reducing by the end of the year, which will hinder you from getting invited into the YPP program. So these are the 5 YouTube monetization factors you need to know. I discover it's like you have not subscribed onto this channel. Please hit the subscribe button. This will mean a lot to me, and this will enable me to do more videos like this for you. Remember, I've just told you that you need to understand what YouTube monetization is all about, which is, I've given you the definition that it has to do with what is a YouTuber becoming eligible to earn through their short form or long form video. Then I've given you the two form you can get invited into monetization here on YouTube. I told you you can get invited through your long form video or through your short form video. If you're going to be using your long form video, you have to complete 4,000 watch hours. And if you're going to be using your short form video, you have to complete 10 million on your short views. And number three is that you need to understand other factors or sub-monetizations that come with what? With YouTube monetization, which is the members, the super, and the shopping. Okay. Then number four, we talk about you. Like if your subscriber counts, if you want to use the long form or short form, but I will recommend the long form video in getting your subscribers, okay, in completing your 1,000 subscribers. Then the last, which is number five factors you need to consider, is making sure that your watch hours are not decreasing. So these are the five factors you need to consider here on YouTube if you want to get invited for the YPP. See you in my next video. Thank you.